Opisyal lang nagtapos ang 39 na taon na paglilingkod ni Vice Admiral Toribio Adasi Jr. sa Philippine Navy sa ginanap na change of command at retirement ceremony dito sa punong himpilan ng hukbong dagat ng Pilipinas ngayong 15 ng Nobyembre. Mismo ang Commander-in-Chief ng AFP na si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang nagsilbing presiding officer sa pagpapalit ng liderato ng Philippine Navy. Dumalo rin sa seremonya si Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. at si AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Bronner Jr. Ginawaran ng Commander-in-Chief si Vice Admiral Adasi ng Philippine Legion of Honor na may ranggong komandante bilang pagkilala sa kanyang katangi-tanging paglilingkod sa hukbong dagat. Sa kanyang talumpati, ipinagmalaki ni Vice Admiral Adasi ang patuloy na modernisasyon ng Philippine Navy sa kanyang panunungkulan, maging ang ginagampanang papel ng hukbong dagat bilang tagapangalaga ng karagatan ng bansa.
In recent years, we have had to confront unprecedented challenges, and given the current climate, it is inevitable that the volatile and ever-shifting security landscape will persist to test our Navy's resolve. Through it all, I have seen firsthand your resilience and determination to rise to every occasion, adapt, and accomplish the task at hand, no matter how unforgiving the circumstances may be. I urge you to stay committed, keep pushing the limits of what you can achieve, and trust that the future holds even greater opportunities for our Navy. As I relinquish my duties as your 40th Flag Officer in Command, I do so with pride in all that we have accomplished together, and with deep gratitude for serving alongside each of you. Again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all personnel of the Fleet Marine Team stationed across the entire archipelago.
Membro ng Philippine Military Academy, Macatao Class of 1989, itinuon ni Vice Admiral Adasi ang kanyang pamumuno sa ilang mga prioridad tulad ng pagsusulong ng self-reliant defense posture at paghasa sa iba't ibang pagsasanay ng mga mandaragat at mandirigma. Bago hiranging Flag Officer in Command noong Nobyembre 2022, nagsilbi si Vice Admiral Adasi bilang pinuno ng Naval Forces Western Mindanao at naging commander din ng ilang mga unit sa Philippine Navy tulad ng Naval Installation Command at Fleet Marine Ready Force. Ang Vice Commander ng Philippine Navy na si Rear Admiral Jose Ma Ambrosio Espeleta naman ang itinanghal na ika-41 Flag Officer in Command ng hukbong dagat. Si Rear Admiral Espeleta ay kasapi ng PMA Sambisig Class of 1991 at naglingkod din bilang Commander ng Naval Forces Southern Luzon, Deputy Commander ng Naval Education, Training and Doctrine Command at Deputy Commander ng Naval Forces Eastern Mindanao. Agad na nilatag ni Rear Admiral Espeleta ang landas na tatahakin ng hukbong dagat sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno.
We are facing challenges unlike any that we have seen in the past. Adjusting to these emerging realities has put the Philippine Navy at the forefront, necessitating the recalibration of our approach and operational tempo, embodied in our transition from an inward-looking defense posture to an outward-facing one. As directed by our Commander-in-Chief and aligned with policies from the Department of National Defense and higher headquarters, we shall continue to embrace and prepare for our increasing role in external defense operations, especially with the adoption of the comprehensive archipelagic concept and in tandem with the Navy's active archipelagic defense strategy.
Sa naging talumpati ng Pangulong Marcos, kinilala nito ang naging ambag ni Vice Admiral Adasi sa hukbong dagat na nagsulong at nagpalakas sa kakayahan ng Philippine Navy. Tiwala naman ng Commander-in-Chief na ipagpapatuloy ni Rear Admiral Espeleta ang mataas na pamantayang inumpisahan ni Vice Admiral Adasi.
As Vice Admiral Adasi has demonstrated, your predecessors are always difficult acts to follow. But given your competence, your experience, and mental fortitude, I am confident you will continue to lead the Navy with integrity and surpass any challenges that you might confront. I look forward to working with you, and I give you my full support as you build on your legacy.
Mula rito sa punong himpilan ng hukbong dagat ng Pilipinas sa lungsod ng Maynila, ako si Ensign Bam Orpilla nag-uulat para sa Oras ng Mandaragat at Mandirigma.